This lesson plan is divided into 2 sections and is based on the nation's Basic Learning Rights DBA for the social science. The topic of the study plan is the advantages and disadvantages of having using in urban or rural areas with a duration of 2 hours and will be developed in the classroom. The first topic describes the resource according to the DBA, the learning to resource to be using and scales to be trained. The resource is photograph, brochures, maps, landscapes, skill models, the classroom, in the others. Aim to describe and differentiate characteristics of the ethnic groups housed based on the reading of image. To generate law for life in the rural zone and its benefits. Skill is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The other part in the development of the activities in the classroom, the process and the way of evaluation are present. What are those things you want your student to accomplish in each step of the presentation? Introduce topic through dialogue with the student where they will be asked about the experience or some of their family relatives have had of life in the rural zones. They will be asked about must dislike or dislike this experience. The lesson plan presents topic, objective, resource, activities, development, evaluation feedback, and homework. Appropriating learners is a way to review learning through the progress of the student in each exercise. And the homework is a survey to observe the environment, describe and write down what was observed. In the other part, is the production phase. Finally, the homework phase is present, indicating to the students some activities to be performed at home in order to complete what has been learning in developing this topic. The practice is I want to study to observe, analyze, and comments. I want to study to express the feeling they have when present with what life is like in the rural zone or what life is like in the city. Student practice, after studying the material, the student can lead a discussion to identifying the advantages and disadvantages of rural or urban housing. And the learning appropriation, the experience results are review the works present by the student, such as worksheets, observation, dialogue, expression, among other aspects. Produce stage, the production, the most necessary thing is for the student to recognize importance of life in either the area and the area where she lives, can explain to observation performs. The students are able to recognize the experience of their peers and share their own experience. Student produce first the knowledge to interpret their own words, the adventures and disadvantages of the living in the rural or urban zones. And the learning appropriation by observation word, the word presence, interview at the word table, participation in class, among other. And the homework, the student create a poster with different drawings, maps, graphs, plays, each other's elements must have the identification of the rural and urban zones. This is my planned lesson. Thanks.